All right, students, so the first thing we're going to do is find the equation of the line for that specific graph. So in order to find the equation of the line, you must recall that we want an equation in slope-intercept form. The equation for slope-intercept form, as you hopefully recall, was y equals mx plus b. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we need to find m and we need to find b. We're only going to change m and b, and we're not going to touch the y or the x. So let's find the slope first. You notice if you look at this graph really close, it crosses right here, but it also crosses right here, and then again it crosses right here. Those dots would be the coordinates to where the graph is crossing exactly between two numbers. If you recall correctly, the slope is the rise over the run. So we need to remember we need rise and run. If you need to find the rise over the run, we remember from using the slope that the slope is either going to be negative or positive, 0 or undefined. What slope does this line have? If you look at the line, is the line going up or down? So we refer to this as a decreasing slope. So since it's decreasing, we know right away that it's going to be negative. Now we just need to create the rise and the run. So how far is it dropping on the y-axis before you are horizontal to the dot, the x dot? Well, if we count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we know it's dropping at 3 units. Now we just got to count to get to the x. So that's going to be your run. So how far do you run to the right? You're going to run 1 and 2 units. We've just found our slope. So our slope is going to be negative 3/2. Let's check just to make sure we found the slope correctly. If we do this again, we drop 3 units, 1, 2, 3. Now we're horizontal to the x-axis, so we just have to run over to the dot, 1, 2, and we're back on the dot. That's how you double check to make sure it's correct. Now we just need the b. The b, as you recall, the definition for the letter b is the y-intercept. So we just need to know where this graph is crossing the y-axis at. And by simple observation, you see that it's crossing the y-axis at 4. We got everything we need, we just need to plug everything in. So we plug in, we bring the y down, we bring down the equals. What was m? M is negative 3/2. Don't forget to bring back that x, because we need to see the y and we need to see the x. Now, what was b? What kind of a 4 is b? You got to write that down as positive 4. We are now done and we can move to the next problem. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions on finding the equation of a line, don't forget to go to YouTube and type in find the equation of the line. You can also Google it, find the equation of a line, or you can also check Math Papa or Purple Math, and hopefully you'll be able to find some extra examples to work. Have a good day.